Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will study about bitwise operators in Perl programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. Okay, so what is bitwise operators? Perl bitwise operator works on bits. The bitwise operators in Perl perform bit by bit operations. Here the following table lists the bitwise operators available in Perl. There are the following bitwise operators supported by Perl language. Assume that if $A is 60 and $B is 13. So the ampersand here, this operator used to copy a bit to the result if it exists both operands. The vertical bar, this operator is used to copy a bit if exists in either the operand. The caret, this operator used to copy the bit if it is set is one operand but not in both. The enye, this operator is an unary operator and has the effect of the flipping bits. The right bits here, this one, the right side, use this operator in Perl. The value of the left operand is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. And then for the left operand, this operator, the value of the left operand moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. So we have here a sample program. Okay, so we have here $A 80, $B is 23, no? So we have here the title bitwise operators in Perl. So it will display the value here using the ampersand, the vertical bar, the caret, the enye, the left shift operator, the right shift operator. Okay, so when we go in our online compiler, I'm using onlinegdb.com. We have here the sample program. So when we run, okay, we have here the sample output. So value of $A 80 and value of $B is 23. Here the ampersand, we have the 16, the vertical bar is 87, the caret is 71, the enye is, we have here a very long value. The left operator 2, we have 320, the right operator 2, we have 20. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on bitwise operators in Perl. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you enjoy and learn something new. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.